Hey, what's up guys, it's Laashak again in a new video. Today we are going to unbox this product right here. It says it's for Lives and Stream Plus. Basically it's kind of a tripod to hold your phone, and it has a microphone and a LED light. So let's go with the overview of the box first, then right away to unbox it. The box feels pretty heavy, and we have a Bluetooth selfie clicker that we forgot. The light controls, it has 3 light modes, which is nice actually. A wired microphone. I don't understand the logic. The wire is going downwards, and it's a 3.5 millimeter jack. Then how would it fit an iPhone? Question mark. I mean, you can obviously use a dongle, but anyways, it says ideal for streaming. It's Stream Plus, iJoy 3-in-1 media kit. Alright, you have social media kit and someone like playing, I guess, on this side, and this side you have another person playing again. And you see the same person in the front, and in the back it's the person from the side. Alright, it says wide microphone stand, phone slash video stand, supported for phones. That's good. 3 mode ring light. It's also nice. USB power supply. That's something I don't like, because if it came with a power block, it would have been nice. But since it's a USB, it's universal. You can connect it to your laptop, PC, and get support. Bluetooth selfie clicker. This is something that I'm interested in knowing about, and that's pretty much it. It says the contents again here, and that's it for the overview of the box. Let's get into the unboxing. Go ahead and unbox. Open like that. So right away we have the mic here. So it's wired, 3.5 millimeter jack, as I said before. And we have the selfie clicker. As I said, it's something that I'm really interested in knowing about. It also has a switch, so flashing light. It's all plastic, so it's light and easy to carry. It's pretty small. And everything else is wrapped in bubble wrap, so that's really satisfying to unbox. So I think these are the holders. It's adjustable, and this is the plate. I guess it's the stand. It literally has 3 holes for 3 of the stands. And so the third one here is the light. Light comes with its own stand, which is pretty also disappointing, because if the light was universal, we could just take it off and put it back in the stand. So now it completely depends on this plate right here. We always have to use it with the stand. So that's okay. Let's see what else is included. You have a voice filter for the mic. That's surprising. So you can put it whenever you talk, your saliva or anything else wouldn't enter the mic. And yeah, so that's always good to have it included. So you can add it, and I will do a separate voice control and sound test on the mic, and I'll also do an assembly video of the whole thing and upload it soon. So this is the mobile stand. It feels pretty rugged, it's strong, and here we have another special thing. It's nothing really that special, but it's your mic stand. So now you can have it right in front of your face. That feels harsh for some reason, but yeah. So, and we have our manual. Well, that's pretty much gotta be it for the unboxing. That's pretty much it that was in the box. Mic, phone stand, the whole base, 2 of the stands for microphone and the phone, a LED light, and a selfie clicker. Thanks for watching.